What are the advantages when it comes to FDM for support removal with these additive design solutions? Fastest time in the industry to get parts to hands faster. How much faster? Typically 10 to 12 times faster. If you have parts that are soaking for 5, 6, 7 hours, they can be done in 15, 20 minutes. Or if you have those sparse filled parts that are full of internal support material that take 12, 24 hours to clean, suddenly it's done in an hour or two. In addition to the actual very fast cycle time, you now have much faster dry times. Not being fully submerged, it's a lot quicker, so it's not saturating with detergent. Repeatable, automated results give better ability to plan. So one of the things you'll see with our additive design solutions is that the software is constantly monitoring things like time, temperature, pH level. So it won't let the systems run in an unsafe condition, but it's also making sure the systems are always running optimally. So you'll know as soon as you put in your parts how long it will take to remove supports. It won't matter who's using the system, whether it's their first day on the job or there's someone with a bunch of tribal knowledge. You're going to get the same repeatable results. The hardware was also completely designed to be run with our chemistry. So you're not going to have those same issues where you have chemistries eating away at O-rings and seals and leaking because it was designed specifically for that. So what that means is the system will always be ready to go and to wash parts as they come off the printer.